Hello guys, today we will study about price elasticity of demand. What is price elasticity of demand, guys? Price elasticity of demand measures when its price changes how much quantity demanded of a good, how much quantity demanded of a good or services changes. We denote price elasticity of demand ED equals to percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. We can write it as percentage change in quantity demanded upon percentage change in price. We use del for showing the change of quantity demanded and change in price. ED may be equals to 1, ED is equal to, ED is greater than 1, ED is less than 1, ED is equal to 0, ED is equal to infinity. Types of price elasticity of demand. Number 1 is elastic demand. What is elastic in demand? ED is greater than 1. When the change in demand is more than proportionate to the change in price. For example, if change in demand is equal to 40% and change in price is 20%. Formula is ED is equal to del Q upon del P. So, ED is equal to del Q upon del P. Put the value of del Q, means change in demand is 40% and change in price is 20%. 2 to the 4. 2. It means ED is 2. ED is greater than 1. Next type of price elasticity of demand is diagrammatically. Elastic demand. Now we show elastic demand by diagram. X-axis 0, y-axis. Here we put price and here quantity demanded. Okay, P, P1, Q, Q1. When the change in demand is more than proportionate change in price. Now next is Next type of price elasticity of demand is inelastic demand. Inelastic demand. ED is lesser than 1. Here ED is lesser than 1. The change in demand is less than proportionate to the change in price. Price elasticity of demand is less than unity. This is called inelastic demand. For example, if change in demand is 10% and change in price is 20%, then price elasticity of demand is equal to del Q upon del P. Put the value of del Q, change in demand, 10% upon 20%. 1 by 2. It means ED is less than 1. Dramatically, x-axis 0, y-axis here is price and here is quantity demanded. Q, Q1, P, P1. The change in demand is less than proportionate change in price. Third type of price elasticity of demand is unit elastic demand. ED is equal to 1. When the change in quantity demanded is exactly same to the change in price. For example, change in price is 20% and change in demand is also 20%. Price elasticity of demand is equal to del Q upon del P. Del Q is 20%, del P is 20%. 1. It means ED is equal to 1. Dramatically, elasticity of demand is unity. Here is price, here is quantity demanded, Q, Q1, P, P1, x-axis 0, y-axis. When the change in quantity demanded is exactly same to the change in price. This is called unit elasticity of demand, unit elastic demand. Next type of price elasticity of demand is perfectly elastic demand. Perfectly elastic demand. Here ED is equal to infinity. In this, price elasticity of demand is infinity. When a small change in price leads to infinite larger change in quantity demanded. Infinite large change in quantity or amount demanded. Dramatically, here x-axis, y-axis, 0, price, and the quantity demanded, Q1. ED is equal to infinity. This is horizontal line. Price elasticity of demand is infinity when a small change in price leads to infinite large change in quantity demanded. Next and last price elasticity of demand is perfectly inelastic. No change in quantity demanded. There is no change in quantity demanded. ED is equal to del Q upon del P. Change in demand is 0 and change in price is 20%. It means ED equals to 0. And this is called perfectly inelastic demand. Grammatically, this is x-axis, 0, y-axis, vertical line. We will draw here. ED is equals to 0. When change in price, there is no change in quantity.
गाइस आप लोग कौन कौन से टॉपिक पे चाहते हैं कि मैं वीडियोस बनाऊं और किस सब्जेक्ट में, आप कमेंट करना, ठीक है। मैं उसी के ऊपर वीडियोज अपलोड करूंगी।